Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Buy Smart. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you in the world of robot vacuums. We will be comparing two popular models, the Shark AV753 ION Robot Vacuum and the Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. Let's start with the price. The Shark AV753 is priced at $229, while the Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner comes in at $199. It seems like both models offer great value for their features. When it comes to cleaning performance, the Shark AV753 boasts a tri-brush system that combines side brushes, channel brushes, and a multi-surface brush roll. This allows it to handle debris on both carpets and hard floors effectively. On the other hand, the Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner features a unique brushless suction port that ensures pet hair and dirt go into the dustbin easily. It's great for families with pets. Both models offer impressive cleaning capabilities. Now let's talk about the smart features. The Shark AV753 can be controlled through the Shark Clean app, allowing you to start and stop cleaning, as well as schedule cleaning sessions from your phone. It also offers easy voice control with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. The Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner, on the other hand, comes with the Lefant app, which allows you to set up cleaning schedules and adjust settings. It also offers voice control through Alexa or Google Assistant. Both models provide convenient smart features to make your cleaning experience easier. Battery life is an essential factor to consider in robot vacuums. The Shark AV753 offers an impressive 120-minute runtime, providing whole home cleaning for up to 2 hours. The Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner, powered by lithium iron phosphate batteries, achieves up to 120 minutes of runtime as well. Both models offer long-lasting battery life, ensuring efficient cleaning sessions. Lastly, let's talk about some additional features. The Shark AV753 ION Robot Vacuum comes with intelligent cliff sensors that detect ledges and stairs, avoiding any potential accidents. It also undergoes rigorous testing to ensure reliability and powerful cleaning. The Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner features upgraded FreeMove Technology 2.0, which helps it detect probable stuck areas and adjust the cleaning path automatically. It also offers 6 different cleaning modes to suit your needs. Both models come with useful additional features. Based on online reviews, customers have praised the Shark AV753 for its performance and value for money. It is particularly good at cleaning hardwood floors with area rugs efficiently. However, some users have experienced difficulties with the app and Alexa integration. On the other hand, customers have found the Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner to be convenient and worth the price. It is great for pet owners and has received positive feedback for its cleaning performance. And that concludes our comparison between the Shark AV753 ION Robot Vacuum and the Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Both models have their strengths, whether it's the Shark's tri-brush system or the Lefant's unique brushless suction port. Ultimately, the choice comes down to your personal preferences and budget. We hope this video helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.